Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. It's Olivia. If you are new here, thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're not new here, thank you for clicking on this video as well, because surely I appreciate both of y'all. We starting to vlog up in my bed because why not? We are starting a self-care maintenance vlog or whatever. And it's giving Saturday morning as a kid watching cartoons. I just got the Proud Family on. So yeah, I'm just like chilling in my bed. But I'm just gonna be doing things that I like to do today. So let this be your sign to go do some things that you like for today whenever you watch this. So, you know, and we just gonna spend the day like caring for ourselves. Like I'm caring for me and you gonna care for yourself. So yeah, after I get out of bed, it ain't gonna be right now, but after I get out of bed, we definitely gonna get the day started. Okay, so I think I laid in the bed a little bit too long. So I just killed my breakfast. I know it looked like a lot of food, but y'all, I'm telling y'all I was starving. Cause usually on a weekday, I be done 8 by now. I be done 8 like at 8 o'clock. Yeah, I'm slightly behind, but it's okay. Okay, so we're finally at the house. Even though I was running late, I'm still making good timing because my appointment is at 12 and it is 11:43. Like I really want to talk to y'all, but it's so early in the day. It ain't nothing to talk about yet. Like it ain't even 12. So we can talk about this hair though and how I need to do it. She looking bad. And this is a maintenance vlog. So I really could do my hair. I don't feel like it. Cause that means I gotta wash it, I gotta blow dry, I gotta do a whole silk press just to do my hair. And I really, like, that's not where my life is at today. Like, I wanna just do other fun things and chill, but I really should. Let me put my seatbelt on. I really should do my hair, but I don't feel like it. But yeah, like I said, I ain't got too much to talk about, so I guess I will see y'all when I get to the wax place.
And I know you're not no good for me. I don't need another broken heart or sleepless night. God, please guide me right. She looks like girl of my dreams. Yeah.
So I just finished my wax and it was so good to catch up with my girl because I haven't seen her in a while. Now that one, it kind of hurt. I ain't gonna lie, because it's been a long little time. You know, with the wax, I don't know. Comment down below if you like this. Like, do y'all feel like very relaxed after your wax? Like, it's almost the same sensation as getting a tattoo. Like, it's like when the needle is on your skin, like it hurts while it's doing it, but after you get done, like, I be feeling relaxed. I don't know, is that just me or can y'all relate to that? Like, let me know in the comments. But yes, I love getting waxed. And I hate when like people be like, or I be like, I'm gonna get a wax, and then people be like, what you doing? Like, first of all, waxing is self-care. It ain't for nobody else, it's for me. So I don't know if I want to go get something to drink first or go to Walmart first. I do want to get like a couple of products for like my little facial that I'm doing tonight. So I don't know what we're gonna do first, but yeah. Hey, can I do a medium mango pineapple refresher, please?
Okay, got it.
Yes, that'd be all.
You can put forward.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good one. Okay, so I just decided to get me like a little refresher from Dunkin or whatever. This is the mango pineapple. And like I have a Dunkin. Like this Dunkin is actually like very close to my house. So like there's a Dunkin and a Starbucks in the city I live. Well, it's not even really a city, it's just a town. But you know, because it's Saturday, I decided to try something new. Because I be seeing the girlies on YouTube be getting Dunkin and stuff like that. But I didn't want like no coffee. I hate coffee. And then like matcha I don't really know. Like, it just, they got too much sugar in it for me. Like, so this is like the next best thing. So I'm about to try this. Okay. Cause they asked me that I wanted with lemonade, and I was like, I don't know. Like, this is my first time getting it. She said most people like it with lemonade. It's pretty good. It's definitely refreshing. So I'm in a body scrub aisle. This is not what I came in here for, but this smells so good. I'm finna get it anyway. Okay, so we're back home. So I think the last clip y'all saw, I was at the nail shop, which I don't even want to get too much into that. But I mean, they okay. Like, I don't know. Like, the man, like, he did it way too fast. And, like, really, they just mid to me. Like, they not, like, you know, popping. But I mean, my eyebrows came out good, so I can't complain. But I'm just show y'all this stuff that I got from Walmart. And then I went to Dollar Tree to pick up some more stuff for my wind down portion of the night later on. And really, I should have just went to Dollar Tree first. Supposed to be sleep on Dollar Tree, not me too, but I just got so in my last video I was talking about these probiotics, and I got the water, but I didn't get the actual vitamins. So I just went back and got the vitamin this time because yeah. And then I got 2 more of the Karma waters. This flavor is berry cherry. They didn't have any more other, like, I think I had strawberry or watermelon the other day. They didn't have no more of that, but I got 2 of those to sip on for the rest of the weekend. I got some claw clips, and then this is what I did not go in here for. So this, what brand is this? I don't know. It says watermelon shea sugar scrub, watermelon extract, and chia. Oh, I didn't even see that. So this is that right here. But when I tell y'all, because I was in the store, yeah, I just love the way it smells. Like, and usually, like, I'm not a fruity person. Like, when it comes to, like, sugar scrubs, I do, like, a vanilla or something like that. The Dollar Tree got this cleansing facial scrubber. And then I got a lip exfoliating thing. And then I didn't have one of these, so I wanted to get, like, it says a dual-ended facial mask applicator. So that's what I got. And this is from the Dollar Tree, y'all, okay? So couldn't even find it at Walmart, but it was in Dollar Tree though. So, and then I just got this cran raspberry, because after I get done with this little portion right here, we're finna create a vibe. We're finna go in the kitchen, finna make a drink. So we're gonna create a little vibe. So yeah. chill. Who the fuck are y'all? It's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. It's over, so it's over. It's far from over.